Hello folks. Well, tonight I'm showing you one of my newest flying Ercaps. Well, I know many of you old timers have seen the videos of my earlier ones, and if not, I'm going to put in a link in the description box so you can see that stuff from over 11 years ago when I was a boy of 67. So here are a couple of short clips of my two favorites, all which were probably inspired by Paul Muller's invention as shown here, I might add. Then we're going to take a look at my newest Ercap and see what you think. So which one do you like best? I hope you're paying attention now because there's going to be a test at the end. Awesome.
Absolutely incredible. A total joy to fly. I love this thing. Thank you, X-Heli. I'm getting a warning to land, so
So which one was your favorite? And here's the test as promised. How many flips in any direction did I do with the XQ5?
that's fun.
So go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe if you would as well. And thanks so kindly. This is your host Dave Herbert, Night Flyer, and we'll see you soon.